Energy saving. Feit electric LED A19 light bulb provides up to 85% energy saving by replacing 60W with 9W. Replace your old incandescent bulbs for a brighter and more energy-friendly home. Long-lasting LED technology. Lasting 10 times longer than incandescent and halogen bulbs with a lifespan of up to 10 years, eliminating the need to constantly change your light bulbs. Dimmable. This dimmable LED light bulb has a wide range of uses. Compatible with most LED dimmers, you are able to create your favorite space and control the look and feeling of your space using the dimming range of 10% to 100%. Instant on to full brightness. No warm-up time for these bulbs. They will light up instantly with their full brightness of 810 lumens with stable soft white color. Feit electric soft white light bulbs. With this 2700K color temperature, it is the warmest option that most closely resembles a standard incandescent bulb, giving a warm and cozy feeling, and is often best for kitchens, laundry rooms, living rooms, dens and bedrooms. Top reviews from the United States. Works great outdoors. I put these in the fixtures on the outside of our garage where standard bulbs tend to have a very short lifespan. So far they have held up well to the elements.